In a tiny house in Kentucky lived a man named Colonel Harland Sanders. He was 65 years old and had a big mustache, a bigger heart, and very little money. His car was old and creaky, but his spirit was brand new. "Things have to change," he said to himself one morning, looking at his empty wallet. Harland thought about what he could do.
Things have to change.
He wasn't a young man anymore, but he knew one thing better than anyone: how to make the most delicious fried chicken. His friends always said, "Harland, this chicken is the best in the world."
Harland, this chicken is the best in the world.
That gave him an idea, a big idea. He packed his special blend of 11 herbs and spices, a pressure cooker, and a dream into his old car. He drove from town to town, state to state, with a single mission: to share his amazing chicken with the world. He would walk into a restaurant and say, "I have a mouth-watering chicken recipe." He offered it for free.
I have a mouth-watering chicken recipe.
All he asked for was a tiny penny for each piece of his chicken the restaurant sold. But owner after owner said no. He heard no 10 times. He heard no 100 times. He heard no in sunny weather and in pouring rain. At night, he slept in his car, tired and discouraged, but he never stopped believing in his chicken. He kept driving, kept cooking, and kept asking. One restaurant owner tasted the chicken and said, "It's good, but not for us." Another didn't even bother to try it. Still, Harland polished his shoes and straightened his tie for the next meeting. He heard no 1,000 times. His map was filled with crossed-out towns. Some people would have given up. Some people would have gone home. But Harland was not some people. He knew his recipe was special. Then one day, after being rejected for the 1,009th time, he walked into a small diner. He was tired, hungry, and almost out of hope. He made his offer one more time to the owner, a man named Pete. Pete took a bite. His eyes went wide. He took another bite. A huge smile spread across his face. "Yes," Pete exclaimed, "we'll sell your chicken."
We'll sell your chicken.
It was the one word Harland had been waiting to hear. With that one yes, everything changed. Soon, everyone wanted Colonel Harland Sanders' secret recipe. From that one small diner, Kentucky Fried Chicken was born, and it grew to be loved all over the world. All because a man with a big dream refused to give up.
Welcome to our delicious world of fried chicken. Come on in and enjoy the best.
Subscribe to Fun Time with Samay for fun, facts, and educational videos every week.